Hey guys, I just wanted to create a quick video of the Kooks Long Tube Headers and the Corsa Cat that I have on my C6. I've had this set up on my car for a few years now, and I wanted to get some shots for you guys. Enjoy the video. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I know the audio kind of sucks, but that's just the way GoPros are. This is the first time I'm running it in reverse on the back of the car, so I wasn't sure how it was going to come out. That's why I've kind of clipped this to just the loud spots of the exhaust. There's two different cases for the GoPro, one with the open and closed rear hatch on it. Usually I use the open for the front shots, but the rear I might have to rethink that. Thanks again for watching this video. If you have any questions, please ask, and please subscribe. Thanks again.